Welcome again. Pure Mathematics Paper 1, IAS 2023. We'll solve question 2. The points P, Q, and R have coordinates -3, 7, 9, 11, and 12, 2, respectively. Prove that angle PQR equal 90 degree here. So, to prove that PQR is a right angle, you need to show that the lines PQ and QR are perpendicular. So we need to prove that these two lines here are perpendicular. So to figure out or to prove that, we need to calculate the slopes or the gradient of PQ and QR using the gradient formula. M PQ equal change in y, which is 11 minus 7 over 9 minus 3 equal 4 over 12 equal 1 over 3. Now, slope or gradient of QR equal 2 minus 11 by 12 minus 9 equal minus 9 over 3 equal minus 3. Now, if the product of the slopes or gradients is -1, then the angle equal 9 degree. So here, gradient MPQ times MQR equal 1 over 3 times -3, which is equal -1. So angle PQR equal 90 degree. So let's work through part B of the question, where we need to find the coordinates of point S, given that PQRS forms a rectangle. We will use vector concept to solve and find or work out the coordinates of point S. We know that in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore, we have vector PS equal vector QR. That means they have the same components. The vector PS equal vector QR. Now, the vector PS is defined as the difference between the coordinates of point P and point S. The formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. That means xs minus 3, ys minus 7. So here we have x minus 3, y minus 7 equal. Also the difference between the coordinates of point Q and point R and point Q. The formula in this case, xr minus xq, yr minus yq. So here we have 12 minus 9 and 2 minus 11. So we said that in the vectors PS and QR are equal, means the PS has the same components as QR. So in this case, we have x plus 3 equal 3 minus 3 to the both sides. We'll get x equal 0. And also y minus 7 equal minus 9 plus 7 plus 7 y equal minus 2. So the coordinates of point S is 0, and minus 2.